What's up, guys? I'm back like in every life. In this video, we're going to be going over the top stocks and cryptos to watch for this upcoming week. We have companies that we've been talking about in the past, like Workhorse, Palantir, BNGO, etc. They're going to be announcing the earnings report this upcoming week, so there's going to be a massive move coming up. I'm going to be going over exactly what is the expected move for the earnings and what to watch out, and I'm also going to go over a Dogecoin. So make sure you stay tuned. I'll cover all this important information coming up. Now, before we get into the video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop it in the comment section below, and check out the links in the box if you want to get free stocks, free Bitcoin, and etc. So last week earnings was super crazy. We have the overall stock market that was aggressively selling off, especially for high-tech companies. They were selling off. We got Amazon stock that sold off to the downside. We have Peloton stock that announced their earnings, and it had a massive sell-off to the downside. That was a very fantastic opportunity to make a decent amount of money. So for this upcoming week, this earnings report we need to be watching out for, of course. First stock we need to watch out is going to be for Workhorse. So before the market open, Workhorse is going to be announcing their earnings, and the expected move is $1.53. So that's close to a 10% move. So we're going to be looking at exactly the technical analysis. The stock has been aggressively selling off. Let's check out Workhorse stock. So it's been trending down and down. It broke down with a $15 support area right around over here. And unfortunately, it's not looking pretty good right now, because the next support level we need to be watching out for is close to $5. So let me just rearrange the chart right around over here, because the stock price has just been breaking to the downside significantly. So the closest support area we need to be watching out is going to be $5. So unless there's a massive buying or some crazy news that come out that Congress is going to step in and going to award at least some kind of money for Workhorse stock, this stock is definitely in a very downtrend area right now. So we have not only for Workhorse stock, it's all electric vehicle companies. They've been aggressively selling off. So keep in mind, but tomorrow before the market open, we have Workhorse stock. So if it's positive, if the stock price reacts positively, it can potentially go to $10 right around over here. If it decides to sell off, we can potentially see it trending to the downside to around $8. So definitely keep an eye on Workhorse stock. Of course, a lot of people actually sold off because of they didn't get the USPS contract right around over here, but there's still some portion of people that are holding it, because electric vehicle companies are going to be the future. So in the next 3, 4, 5 years, these companies can benefit a lot. So even ARK Invest is also still invested in it. They had not sold off their position, and they have a 5-year horizon. So that is also one of the important things you need to be watching out when you're invested in Workhorse, if you still invested in Workhorse stock. So the other company that is going to be announcing earnings, of course, is going to be Palantir Tuesday before the market opened. This is going to be massive because a lot of people are invested in this company. They like it. The stock price has also been trending to the downside. As you can see over here, it broke the support area at around $20. So the expected move for Palantir stock is $2.22. So it can either go to the upside, $2.22, or it can go $2.22. That is the expected move. So it can potentially be going back above the support area, or it can potentially break down and it can potentially go to $15. So definitely keep an eye on Palantir stock. ARK Invest is heavily invested in this company. A lot of people like it, but unfortunately these high growth stocks are just getting beat down because of the market sentiment right now. Even though the overall stock market is hitting all-time highs, a lot of people are selling off of these high growth speculative companies. So now let's go over the other companies that are going to be announcing earnings. It's going to be, we have Lemonade, which is a recent IPO. We have on Wednesday, we got Wix before the market open. We have Wish after the market closed. We have Thursday, we have, BNGO and Airbnb after the market closed. So this is also another company that has been aggressively selling off to the downside. So you have to really keep an eye on it. They have, their FDA news that can come out that can help them out pretty soon. But unfortunately, the stock has just been aggressively selling off. Right now, it's sold out from $15 area close to $5. That's a huge drop. It's really at a support area right around our $5. So if it breaks down, we can potentially see a sell-off that can happen to close to $3. So keep in mind that these are going to be the top 3 stocks that can potentially make a massive move. We have Workhorse, Palantir, BNGO. This is going to be the top 30 stocks, and I'm going to be watching. Of course, the rest of the companies, they can make a lot of massive moves too. We have Virgin Galactic. They can make a huge move. Fubo TV also can make a massive move. Airbnb can make massive moves. But these are going to be the top 3 stocks that I'm going to be watching. Of course, we have Blink stock also reporting after the market closed. So definitely keep an eye on it. So now let's talk about the crypto that we're going to be talking about. Is going to be Dogecoin. Now let's talk about Dogecoin. So as you can see over here, it has been selling off right after the SNL aired. Right before it aired too, it has been selling off. So as you can see over here, it seems like the sell-off has been bought back up, aggressively sold off all the way close to 40 cents. Right now, it bought back up. It's sitting at 55 cents. So there's going to be a lot of opportunity for this company. There's a lot of news. For this cryptocurrency, there's a lot of news that have been coming out. We have Elon Musk that is going to literally take Dogecoin basically to the moon. So they have a plan. I haven't seen the details of it, but they said they're going to be launching Doge 1 to the moon. So it's literally going to go to the moon. It's really fantastic news. A lot of people are still buying and holding it. It's not going to be a cryptocurrency that people are going to be selling. So we don't see a lot of selling coming up pretty soon, because usually buy the rumor, sell the news. When that happens, it continues to sell off. So for Dogecoin, even though it was sold off, we don't see a lot of continuation, because if we actually had a massive sell-off, we could have actually seen the stock, the crypto price, to go to close to 30 cents and potentially go to 20 cents. So right now, sitting up above the support area around 40 cents. So it's really good looking forward. So the ideal price point for this company, for this crypto, is to go to $1. So everybody is hoping for it to go to $1. Last week we talked about that this is going to have a massive move, breakout, making all-time highs. It happened, but moving forward, the $1 price target is going to be expected for this cryptocurrency, because a lot of people are accepting it. A lot of people are adapting it. Let's say we have different companies that are going to be expecting to actually allow Dogecoin for people to buy and sell products. So the massive one that can definitely change the game if it's going to be Amazon, right? We have the Mavericks, that are Dallas Mavericks, that are allowing for people to buy, tickets and etc. Now we have other companies that are also allowing and accepting Dogecoin. So once it gets massive acceptance, we can potentially see Dogecoin to hit $1 mark pretty soon. So definitely keep an eye on it. But that's going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop it in the comment section below. But I catch you guys on another video pretty soon. Let's get it for tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.